Now let's talk about payments. Payments, represented by PMT in your calculator, are the periodic cash flows throughout the life of an investment. Payments can be interest payments or loan payments, as in the case with a real estate mortgage, or any cash flow that occurs during the holding period throughout the life of the investment. It's important to distinguish that payments are not the same as the future value or a final cash flow. Payments represent ongoing cash flow throughout the life of the term. In the calculator, we use payments or periodic cash flows when we have steady cash flows, which means that they are the same each period. It's very easy to just enter that as your payment in the calculator and finish your analysis. But one thing I recommend is that if you have varying cash flows that are different throughout the life of the investment, I don't recommend putting those into the calculator. It is possible to do it, but it's pretty arduous and it's very easy to make a keystroke error or some mistake, and not very easy to backtrack and find out where you went wrong. So whenever you have varying cash flows, I strongly recommend using a spreadsheet. Obviously, throughout this course, I'm going to teach you how to use both so that depending on whatever type of analysis you're trying to do, you will know how to do it the right way.